welcome back to the show. It's your boy Dan, and today we gonna react Jisoo Earthquake. I'm too late to react. Pero sabi nila, it's not too late to react, diba? Okay, it's not too late to react. So, I'm very sorry guys kung ngayon ako nag-upload or nag-react din kasi I'm quite busy. Kasi last few days, like a big tournament dito sa amin. So, sumali din ako sa tournament and we lost. But unfortunately, we're gonna grind and more. Babalik kami next year. So, yun nga, we gonna react to this earthquake. So, let's go. Okay, let's start guys. I should start this one. Yeah. I think we could let hi guys, so let's go. Very nice.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
Oh, it's like a K-drama vibes, I getting.
그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm going down off the chart. 마치 race car. 시간
Random car.
숨이 멎게. 벗어나려 할수록 너는 짙어져.
So yun lang. Okay, guys. I would say it's a good song. It's a good pop song, good K-pop song, but it's not as strong as like yung sa Flower na yun, because I really love Flower song by Jisoo, by the way, guys. And yun nga, it's not as strong as is her last song, but I will give props to her. Like, man, it's actually not a bad song. It's actually a great song, it's not as like, wow, it blows my mind, but I would respect that, but I would respect how good the song it is. It's not just as strong and impactful enough to, to be their song. Uh, I just love Flower na talaga. But guys, we gonna react this again, but this time with subtitles naman. So, maybe maano lang yung isip ko eh, baka mabago lang din.
방정식을 잘 살펴보고 이 방정식들을 잘 살펴보고 고객에게 잘 정보를 설명하고 있다는 거죠.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다. 그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
So these songs, like it is, I think it's a love song because like, also this what are your feelings from him? It hits me like an earthquake, like unexpected. Ang lakas talaga yung ano ko sa'yo, like ang lakas talaga yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo, like ang lakas sa tingin ko, like that's what it means. So
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart
yeah,
race.
makes sense. Yeah.
온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna sit down off the chart. 마치 race car. 시간조차 fast. 숨이 멎게. 벗어나려 할수록 너는 짙어져. 알면서
Oh,
깨어날 수
first time like I saw a 4-minute song. Okay.
없는 꿈처럼. 그래서 시작하면 after 지금
Hey.
about to blow, about to blow,
Blow.
about to blow. It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
Oh, is that what's that thing? Seismic graph? I forgot what. I don't know. It's a Richter scale? Ba tawag yun? I forgot my ano talaga. Science.
electric touch. 내 맘이 춤춰. You give me the good from every angle.
Okay.
내 세상을 덮친 널 가져야겠어. 벗어나려 할수록 너는 짙어져. 알면서 깨어날 수 없는 꿈처럼.
Okay, I really like the beat. The ta-na-ta-na-na-na, and like that.
그래서 시작하면 after 지금 about to blow, about to blow, about to blow, about to blow. It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna.
Okay. Hey.
I think I'm
Oh, yes, that. Oh, Jesus, man. Beautiful, man. Oh, is that? Oh, yun na. Okay. I'm really happy that the song is 4 minutes. Kasi I never heard the song 4 minutes na sa K-pop, right? Like, ang tagal-tagal na. But I would say, guys, it's actually not a bad song. Okay, so I reacted to this second time na. This is my second time to react. But, ayun nga, it really changed my mind how the song good it is. Yun nga, masabi ko lang, Jisoo really ate this. Really ate her song. Talaga, I don't know, I think many people will against my opinion na sabi na this is not good song. For me, it's actually a good song. It's not just like a parang ano talaga yung bang, makes an impact, boom, like that. It's just like a good song na naman, quite a good song. It reminds me of song sa mga Taylor Swift, like ganun. But yun nga, Jisoo really ate this, man. Her voice, oh my god, what? It's super beautiful, man. Her visuals, spot on, man. Yeah, I'm very so happy that Jisoo released another song aside sa Flower because I'm waiting. I've been waiting for another song for Jisoo. Like, and as napapansin natin na there's so many songs released for Blackpink. Like, of course, kay Jennie and Lisa also. I know Rose released a song, pero I don't know, i-react ko din mamaya nito if you release song because I'm not updated na. But you know guys, the song is actually good. It's not that I cannot put into words so what I think. Hindi lang talaga ako na parang na wow, okay? Hindi lang talaga, but I would but the song is actually good. It's not that bad. It's like I will give this a rating of 7 out of 10. Yun lang nga. But, you guys, I don't know, baka mag-get pa kayo sa akin, but that's my opinion lang. I'm very sorry if I offended you naman, but it's not bad song, okay? But, yun nga guys, let me know if what's your thought about the song. And, yun nga, but my Jisoo really killed it from beginning. I really like the beat. It reminds me of like an, dubstep lang naman. No, it's kind of remind me of Taylor Swift, yung parang ganon. But, ayun nga guys, the song Earthquake, and yun nga, Jisoo really killed it, man. I'm very excited for what's the song next, what's coming from her next. And yun guys, but yun nga guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host Dan, and see you next video. And sa mga Jisoo fans, please stream every day. Yes. Bye.